This is Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 4, Lesson 7, Exit Ticket. Our first question says, what is the length of the red side of rectangle A? Blank units. So we want to find out how many units. So this is 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units. So the length of the red side of rectangle A is 5 units. Our next question, number 3, what is the length of the red side of rectangle A? So this is a different side. The first one we counted was 5. Let's see how many this one has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The length of this red side is 7 units. Number 4, what is the area of the rectangle? So we know this side was 5 units. Excuse me. This side is 7 units. So 5 times 7 equals, do we know what 5 times 7 is? If not, you can count by 5 7 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So the area of rectangle A is 35 square units. Number 5, Mark makes a rectangle with 36 square centimeter tiles. Gia makes a rectangle with 36 square inch tiles. Whose rectangle has a bigger area? Explain your answer. So we know Mark's rectangle is in centimeters. Gia's rectangle is in inches. Now, if you look at a ruler, is an inch or a centimeter bigger? Right, inches are bigger. So if there are 36 inches in a rectangle, that would be bigger than a rectangle that has 36 small centimeters. Okay, so Gia's rectangle would be bigger because it is in inches, and inches are bigger than centimeters.